Hello students, welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So my dear students, this is your subject teacher of maths and today I am here with a remaining exercise of chapter number 2 addition up to 10 from your textbook. So my dear students, in our earlier video we learned about the topic adding three numbers. So my dear students, today we are going to do the next exercise from this topic. So let's get started. Students, open page number 30. Ravi's room, stories, sums. So students, look at this picture. This is a picture of Ravi's home and here we are going to solve some sums related to Ravi's room. So look at the first question. Add and write. So students, here you have to add and write. So here I am going to explain you how to write this question in your notebook. So students, first of all take out your notebook and then you have to mention the date and the name of the chapter addition up to 10, then heading adding three numbers, then you have to mention this heading, that is Ravi's rooms, stories, sums. So students, after this you have to mention question number G, add and write. Now let's discuss about the questions. So students, the first question is one car is on the shelf and 7 are on the floor. So students, in your textbook at page number 30 you can see at Ravi's room one car is on the shelf and 7 cars are on the floor. So students, here you have to add 1 and 7 to know how many cars Ravi's had. So students, when we add 1 and 7, we get the number 8. So students, Ravi has total 8 cars. Now the next question, that is 4 shoes are on the top shelf, 2 shoes are on the bottom shelf. So students, first of all you have to mention this question. Now let's solve this sum. So students, Ravi has 4 shoes on the top shelf and 2 shoes on the bottom shelf. So students, you know very well, in one pair of shoes there are 2 shoes. So students, on the top shelf there are 2 pair of shoes because here 4 shoes are on the top shelf is written here. So students, here we have to tell how many shoes Ravi had. Students, we have to add 4 with 2. So when we add 4 and 2, we get the number 6. Okay, so Ravi has total 6 shoes. It means Ravi has 3 pairs of shoes. Now the next question, one teddy is on the chair, one teddy is in the book rack and one teddy is on the floor. So students, Ravi's one teddy is on the chair, one is on the book rack and one is on the floor. Now here you have to tell the total number of teddy that Ravi had. So students, here we have to add 1 3 times. So when we add 1 plus 1 plus 1, we get the number 3. So Ravi has 3 teddy. Okay, now let's come to the question number 4. 5 books are on the shelf, 1 book is on the sofa. Now students, Ravi had 5 books on the shelf and 1 book on the sofa. So the total number of the book is 5 plus 1 equals to 6. Okay, so you have to write this in your notebook like this. I hope you understood how to write this exercise in your notebook. Now students, let's discuss about the next question. So students, question number H from page number 31, add and write. So students, here also you have to add and write. So the first question is 6 ants are in the garden and one more ant joins them. So there are 6 plus 1 equals to 7 ants in all. So students, now I am going to explain these exercises with the help of notes that you have to complete in your notebook. Okay. So students, look here, question number H, add and write. So you have to mention this and then you have to mention question number first, that is 6 ants are in the garden, one more ant joins them. So students, if there are 6 ants in the garden and one more ant joins them, so how many ants are there? There are 6 plus 1 equals to 7 ants in all. So students, now you have to add 6 and 1 in vertical form also by the help of or by using strokes. Okay, you have to add this number by using strokes. Okay. Now in next question, 2 cats are under the table, 4 cats are on the table. So students, there are 2 cats under the table and 4 cats are on the table. So now we have to find the total number of cats on the or under the table. Okay, so students, there are 2 plus 4 equals to 6 cats in all. So after this you have to write 2 plus 4 equals to 6 in vertical form also like this. Okay. Now the next one, Ajay has 3 books. Granny gives him 3 more books. So students, Ajay has 3 books and her grandmother, that is Granny, gives him 3 more books. So how many books now Ajay has? Now Ajay has 3 plus 3 equals to 6 books in all. Okay. So here you have to write 3 plus 3 equals to 6 in vertical form also. Okay. Now let's come to the question number 4. 5 students are in the class and 2 students are walking in. So students, you have to tell the total number of students in all. So there are 5 plus 2 equals to 7 students in all, and you have to write 5 plus 2 equals to 7 in vertical order also. Okay. Now the last one, 5 birds are on the branch, 3 birds are in the nest. So now, do you know the total number of birds? So to know the number of birds, we have to add 5 plus 3 equals to 8. So students, there are 8 birds in all. So you have to write 5 plus 3 equals to 8 in the vertical form also. Okay. So question number G and H is completed now. I hope you understood how to do this question or exercises in your notebook. Now your turn to study it and grasp it. Keep practicing, keep learning and keep smiling. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and stay at your home. Thank you students. Bye and take care.